Catus Maximus here. I have a quick review of the Zagg Invisible Shield HD glass for the Samsung Galaxy S6. This was a pretty expensive screen protector. I think it was $50 on the shelf. But it was supposed to be one of the best, and they have a lifetime warranty. One thing of note is I believe you need not only the receipt, but the original box to get that warranty. They usually have these kiosks at large malls in the area, so that you're able to just take in the phone and the box and receipt, and they'll just replace the screen protector on your phone right there at the mall. So I've been pretty happy with the screen protector. They have quite a bit of advertising on the box. They talk about being a 5-layer design. There's their lifetime guarantee. And it's pretty thick. That's probably the first thing you would notice, is this screen protector is about a half a millimeter thick. And I don't know if we can get this to focus here. There's too much there. There we go. See, you can just see it's pretty thick on the face of this phone. You can see her on the top. So the touch sensitivity remains pretty good, although it's so thick it is diminished just a little bit. I do like the idea of the extra thick plastic layer and the heavier duty piece of glass. Why won't this focus? I also liked how it had nice little cutouts for the fingerprint sensor and the earpiece, but it has a little tab rather than just being a big gap. Being case friendly, it is recessed from the bezel quite a bit, about a 1/16 of an inch, and initially I didn't like that, but the glass on the S6 is smoothed over or polished and curved right where it meets the edge, so they probably had to do that so a flat piece of glass wouldn't peel up. And even in that case, I don't know if what you can see. Yeah, there you go. It is still peeled up some right there where I think the Samsung glass kind of falls away. Otherwise, it's remained glued, and it's been pretty resilient. It has a few scratches in it, but you can only really feel them and only see them in certain light. I doubt we could even see the scratch that's right there. Yeah, you can still see that it's held up pretty well. Not really many scratches. There you go. You can see the one just above the halo of the light. And that's just fine. That's what it's supposed to do. And it's fallen on the ground a few times. And I like the idea of the smoothness. That's the big deal for a glass screen protector of any type, is just to have a nice smooth glass surface that adds extra protection and makes sure that the original screen stays like new. One thing of note, if you ever drop and break a glass screen protector, when you're removing it, make sure to hold the phone upside down and peel it off upside down over a receptacle. Lots of little shards will spring out when it's broken if you just peel it off normally. Anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe for future videos. Addendum. I was going to mention that the blue light eye guard that it has, which is just a layer for, or just a colored layer on the glass, seems to work okay. I don't know if it throws off the screen color, but when you're in the sunlight and it hits a certain way, you can really see how blue the piece of glass is, and it definitely kind of gets this foggy look to it. I'm not a big fan of blue light filters, because then you're just filtering the screen. You should adjust the color of the screen. Anyway, thanks.